right. Hey guys, hey. Okay, so you can see that I already have these brows done. I did not have time to be sitting and doing that on camera. I'm gonna start off with the Tarteist Pro palette. Do you say Tarteist or Tarteist? Anyways, so I'm gonna go in with this cream shade, this dark brown, and this black today. We're gonna rock some black lids, all right? So I'm gonna go in with the cream shade, and I will have the colors in the description somewhere. I'm gonna go in with the cream shade and put that all in my crease, all right? So we're gonna blend that into the crease. And then as you see, I am going to dip into this brown shade, and it's gonna be darker on my eyes than it is in the palette. I don't know why, but it just is. So I was in a little bit of shock, but I worked with it. So I'm just gonna blend this and blend it and blend it and blend it until I can't blend anymore. And then I'm gonna go into the black shadow, and I'm just gonna put this all over my lids. All right, so you're just gonna pack the color on there, and then you're gonna go in and you're gonna blend it, and you're gonna pack, and you're gonna blend, and then you're gonna pack, blend, pack, blend, pack, blend. And just make sure it's blended out. You don't want a clear, defined line on that shadow. So now I'm going to go in with the Essence lash mascara. I think this is Lash Princess, and they just changed the bottom. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go in with the mascara before I put the lashes on, okay? Just so my lashes can be separated. And I think these are the dark Ardell lashes, but again, I'm gonna put it in the description box so that you can see. Yes, this is what we're looking like. Going in with Fenty Beauty powder. This is in the shade 310. I'm just gonna put this all over my face. This shade actually works for me summer and winter, surprisingly. But anyway, just gonna put it all over my face, and then I'm gonna put it around my mouth because you don't want to have a white ring around your mouth that doesn't have any foundation or anything on it. So I'm going in with this concealer by Too Faced. Shade will be in the description again. Put it on the bridge of my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, the middle of my forehead, and my under eyes. And as you saw, what I did was put a little bit in the corner and then some on the outer edge. And I'm just going to blend that. And I'm going to make myself a sharp line with that eyeshadow. How cute is that? We're going to set it with the Fenty setting powder in the shade Banana. Banana. Yeah, we're going to set all those areas that we concealed, okay? So yeah, let's just watch for a quick second. I'm going to chill out. I'll be back. And we're back. Okay, so we're going to bronze with this bronzer. Oh Lord, the name, it just I can't even think of the name of this bronzer, but anyway, I'll put it in the description so that you can see. Whew, Lord have mercy. We're just gonna bronze all the area. We're gonna bronze up on that chin, make sure we are completely snatched, and we're gonna snatch that nose too. We gotta have a skinny nose, y'all. We gotta have a skinny nose. All right, so we're gonna go in with some blush. This is by NARS, and this is in the shade what? Orgasm. Can we say it again? Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna put the blush on my cheeks, and then I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose just to give me that little sun-kissed wash on the face, okay? Just a little bit of glow, just a little bit. All right, and we're gonna set the face right now with the Morphe setting spray before we go in with our highlighter. And I'm just gonna put this on my cheeks. I'm gonna put a little bit on the tip of the nose and my cupid's bow. All right, so the last thing we're gonna do is put our lips on. We're gonna use this red shade by NYX lip liner and this Aaliyah X MAC lipstick. Again, I'll put the shades down in the description box because I can't remember right now and I really can't see. Okay, so I hope you like the look. Leave me a comment, let me know. All right, bye.